Here it is. Adesso facciamo la prova con il Taotronics. Should learn how to make you laugh without saying a word. The major flaw of this Anker Sport is the presence of the lowering of the volume during the reproduction of rhythms. This happens to many people when connected via Bluetooth, but not when connected via wire. For the rest, the sound is rather unbalanced in the treble. They are too artificial and metallic for me. However, if I did not have that audio flaw, it would be a recommended speaker for me, thanks to this massive construction. Bye bye!